Let's work on the model today. Stay tuned. Alright, today I'm going to show you. If you look on the box, see how your grill's black and the SS stands out. But yet, on your chrome part, it's not black. I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay? First of all, get a little paintbrush, flat black paint, give you some paint on there, okay? And you're going to take, and you're going to paint right in there. Dab your paint down in there. Don't got to be too clean about it. Just keep painting it in there. Get all them spots down in there. So don't worry about dabbing over a little bit. It takes a little bit. It is a little bit of time consuming. You might be like, oh man, I'm goofing this up, but in reality you're not. I'll show you why here in a minute. Okay? See how it's all black now? Take your rag, like this, you just wipe it. Sit here and just wipe over it. Just taking the rag and I'm just wiping around it. That's all you're doing. You can see that now. See how it's the chrome showing? We got this black on down inside. That's what you want. On this body, I got the radiator, all that installed, radiator hose. I still got to put in the brake booster. I was going to do brake lines on this model for you, but this is such a low level model, it's really not that good a model to put the brake lines on, so I'm not going to do that. I did do the exhaust. These are off of some pieces I had in my spare box because I didn't want the side pipes as it's pictured in the box here. I wanted a little different look, so that's what I did. Another thing is I still got a lot of chrome parts on here, but some of them on models, they give you all these extra parts that you don't even use for this model. But cut them out, throw them in your spare box. You might be able to use them on the next model. And that. Another thing is, right, on your hood, underneath, make sure you do this all in flat black. Okay? your body. Body of your car, do the same thing. Paint everything black on the inside, down below your windows. When you put the model together, it completes your interior. Okay? Up here, below your front windshield forward, also paint it black, because when you put your model together and you have the hood raised, you're going to be able to see it. Okay? I'll probably paint the whole inside of this black just because of the green color on here. I can put my finger behind it and block the light, and it makes my paint stand out better. Okay? So remember that. And we'll catch you on the next one. But always, don't forget, think outside the box. And always be open in your mind for different things. Check out how others are doing it. Another thing is if you can get hold of Scale Auto magazine, they always have good articles, tips and tricks, and everything. Especially if you're starting out, you can learn a lot of things. Even if you're an older model builder, you can learn from them. So, smile today and smile tomorrow. You're going to smile all week, guaranteed. Here's some suggested videos. We'll catch you on the next one. While you're here, why don't you check out some of these other videos? It's going to be right up here, right in this area over here somewhere. Just watch it for in this area over here. Okay? Make sure you watch them. You'll like them. Bye.